Are you ready to turn your opinions into cash? In this video, we unveil an incredible free platform that allows you to get paid for testing new technologies and influencing their development. Don't miss out. Watch now to learn how to sign up and start making a difference today. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our awesome money-making tips. We've got opportunities for online earning all around the world. Drop your country in the comments and we'll hook you up with videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's get started. Get paid to test and help influence the future of technology. Join Pulse Voices, a diverse panel where your opinions matter. Share your thoughts on the latest innovations and trends in technology, and earn rewards for every survey you complete. Pulse Voices are looking for participants from all locations, genders, ethnicities, and ages. Imagine being part of a community that shapes the tech world while earning extra cash or gift cards in your free time. To get started and earn on Pulse Voices, just follow these 3 easy steps. First, sign up. Join Pulse Voices panel by registering. Kick things off with a quick demographic survey, and you'll start getting paid to participate in studies you qualify for. Second, just take a look at your dashboard for any upcoming screening surveys. If you qualify, you'll get the chance to dive into some fun tasks like screen recordings, videos, and questionnaires where you can share your thoughts. Last, get ready for some cool rewards. When you share your thoughts and give complete, quality responses on time, you're all set to earn full compensation. Plus, you can pick from a bunch of payment options to get paid just the way you like it. You can choose to receive payments through PayPal, Visa gift cards, or Amazon gift cards. This flexibility ensures that you not only gain valuable experience, but also enjoy the convenience and benefits of these popular payment methods. Don't miss out on this opportunity to turn your insights into earnings. Your voice can make a difference. Sign up for Pulse Voices today and start earning while impacting technology's future. Spots are limited, so act now. Before we finish up, I'd really like to hear what you think. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Catch you in the next one.